Alright, welcome to this video. So I'm going to be using this short video to explain to you on how you can translate 1688 website into English. So now you can read 1688 interface in English language. Now the first thing is to go to your Chrome browser. Make sure you are using Chrome. Now let me log into my Chrome browser now. And then you are going to, after that, you are going to type 1688. Now let me do that here. Can you see now 1688.com? Then you click on OK. So let's wait for the website to load. Let's wait. Okay, I'm going to type it again. I think there's a glitch there. 1688.com. You click on OK. Okay, I think that's the network issue. That's the network issue. Okay, now. Oh, okay. So they are redirecting us to the app, but we are not using the app. So let me go back to the website. So I'm still going to explain on how you can download the app and how you can use it. But now we are focusing on the website. Now you are going to click in this white space, right? So now the simple step is you click on these three dots up here at this top right side. These three dots. Can we see now? Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so you click on that three dots, right? And then you are going to look for translate, right? You look for translate, and this is our translate. This is where you click, and once you click on it, everything will be displayed in English. So I've done that now. So can we all see? So everything, you can now read every single thing here in English, and you'll be able to search for any product you want on the website. Now let's check out a product. Let's check out a product. Let's check out a random product. Okay, this is a bag now. This is a bag, right? So can you see now everything is in Chinese? You still have to repeat the same process I told you about. Click on these three dots, right? This is the translate. You click on translate. So yeah, can we all see now? So it has also translate for us. So this is where you'll be able to read everything, every information about this product. So I'm going to explain further in the class on how you can order, how you can make a purchase and all that. Thank you. Now if you like this video, if you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be dropping more content, more video on importation and how you can make money online. So look for the subscribe button, click on it, and also turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop video, you'll be able to see it as soon as possible. And also make sure you like and also share the video. Thank you and God bless you.